Welcome to the introductory video of Glib. In this video, I will familiarize you with the installation and the first steps in Glib. Simply order Glib via the Market tab at the bottom in MetaTrader 5. To do this, click on the Market button and enter Glib in the search bar. After that, you can easily order Glib directly via MetaTrader 5. Now drag Glib onto the chart you want. In my example, this is the Dow Jones. Check the Allow Algo Trading box so we can use the trading buttons. After that, click on OK. Glib will now automatically calculate all the data on the chart and give you a message in the Experts tab once it has finished the calculations. In order to activate the trading buttons, you have to activate Algo Trading in the control bar at the top. Glib is now ready for use. To familiarize yourself a bit with the features, we recommend you to use Glib on a demo account first. At first, you may feel a bit overwhelmed by the amount of data Glib produces. But you will quickly see how easily Glib provides very relevant trading information. The first thing we take care of is the correct view. We have support and resistance lines on the chart, but we don't immediately see how important they are to us. Firstly, activate the offset in the chart. After that, we click and hold a small arrow on the top right and we can adjust the offset to our needs. This way we can easily determine which lines have which priority. Now that we have everything nicely in view, let's take a moment to explore. As already noted, on the right side we now find all the information about supports and resistances. We can see from which unit of time the information comes in, and via the thickness of the line we can also determine how often this price has already been touched. On the left side, we find the trading buttons and the necessary keys to quickly create positions. In the chart, we find many lines drawn above our candlesticks. These are our chart formations. All formations from each selected time unit are displayed. This is the only way we can be sure that we don't miss any signals coming from another time frame. Finished formations are drawn in green and red, where green stands for long and red stands for short formations. In this way, we can quickly determine the direction in which the journey should go in the case of higher or lower level time frames. Formations that are in progress are shown in orange. If a formation comes from another time frame than the active one, it will be highlighted a bit lighter. To get an even better overview, we can click on all lines and the clicked formation will be highlighted. In addition, a tooltip with all the information opens when you hover the mouse over any line. If a drawing is blocking your view of your candlesticks, you can always click and hold on any blank spot on the chart, which will bring the candlesticks to the foreground. If you want to remove Glib from your chart, just click the red X in the upper right corner. Glib will then degrade itself piece by piece. You have now learned the basics of Glib in this video. You now know how to install Glib and have gained an initial overview. In our further videos, we will show you how you can further customize Glib to your own personal trading needs. Our goal is to provide you with the most comfortable and profitable trading experience possible. Of course, we are always available for you personally. Just visit us at soft.studio. Glib. Less work, more life.